Thinking about switching to a teaching career? Here's how to make it happen. First, gain relevant experience. Substitute teaching, tutoring, or summer programs are great ways to build classroom hours and confidence. Tailor your resume to highlight transferable skills and certifications required by your state. Use relevant keywords to beat applicant tracking systems, ATS. Can getting a master's degree help? Absolutely. While not always required, it can increase your chances of landing a job and advancing in your teaching career. Is teaching difficult? Like any career, it has challenges, but it's also incredibly rewarding. You'll grow as an educator and make a positive impact daily. Ready to start? Use Resume Now's AI resume builder and cover letter generator to create your best application materials today. Follow your passion and make the leap into teaching. Start your journey today with Resume Now.